Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Well, take a look at DOGZ. Now, I have to admit, I'm not 100% sure I know why this fell like this, okay? But it did show up on my 10-day daily breakdown scan. And shoot, I thought I had it here. But it showed up on my 10-day daily breakdown scan at just under $6, all right? And it just kept falling and fall. I mean, that's an amazing move from about that $6 mark all the way down to $2. It just got absolutely pummeled. Why you see this big gap here is it got halted several times on the way down, and there was a halt here at 4, and we were watching to see where it could open, and the open was way down here around 285. It got halted again. That's why you see these big gaps on the 15-minute chart. But my goodness, so from my 10-day daily breakdown that I am sharing. Now, the funny thing to me is that in the pre-market, because I was looking for news to find out, well, why is this being hammered like this? And it's to me, it's funny anyway. They hired a firm called Argus to promote them, and they paid them money to promote them. I saw the news at around 9 o'clock, and so if I'm them, I want my money back because obviously how much they paid them, it did not work at all. And so now I have to also talk about Corsair just a little bit because this turned out to be just a fantastic short. So when Corsair, we saw this in the pre-market, and Corsair has earnings, I believe, on the 5th of May, but they basically announced some preliminary numbers, and they're guiding lower and all that. So I mean, this happened after hours yesterday. You can see the big move down, and then it happened. However, Wedbush then this morning decided to put a $22 price target on them. But I looked at that and I thought, you know what? I don't, especially in the face of what the market is doing. I mean, the market's down, NAS is down 200, the Dow is down 600. We all looked at this, at least I did, and I was saying in the room, I got to get short this somehow. And when it took out 17, I got in around 1680. Covered a little bit at 1660, and I'm was looking at the $16 mark, see if it could take that out. I've just covered now, so I'm out of it. But what made it great to me, the fact that they actually gave some guidance lower, and the fact that Wedbush, this actually gave us a gift. Because without that gift of Wedbush putting a 22 price target on it, it may have just stood here. It may have just remained here, and it would not have given us such a great shorting opportunity or as much of a move down. So that was second on my list, but certainly the DOGZ, unbelievable what happened to it. All right, everybody. Well, it's Friday, so obviously we're heading into a weekend. So have a great weekend, everybody. I'll open the room Monday morning at 8 o'clock. So again, have a great weekend, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.